Hey guys, Destiny Tech Cuban here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Skullcandy Indies. So, right here we got the box for the Skullcandy Indies, and so we have Bluetooth, wireless technology, up to 16 hours of total battery life, IP55 sweat, water, and dust resistant, and we've got some touch controls in here as well. It's got the logo and all of the specs on the back here. So it looks like 4 hours of charge in each earbud, and then an additional 12 with the charging case, so that's 16 hours. Intelligent design, so the earbuds turn on and pair automatically when removed from the case. As I said before, IP55, dust and water resistant. It's got touch controls. And let's open this up. Alright, so let's get into opening this thing up. So it looks like there's just a flap here, and it opens magnetically, which is nice. And you've got all of Skullcandy written all over that. So let's open that up. So right there's the earbuds and the charging case. And right over here, we've got first time pairing instructions on the left, and on the right we've got some basic controls. So yeah, let's get into the earbuds. So there's some tape there. Let's get it off. Nice cover there. Okay, so this thing comes out. And in here you've got a user guide. Looks like a bunch of instructions, but we don't need to look at that right now. You've got your standard USB-C charging cable. You've got extra fitted ear tips, and you've got your warranty claim or your return claim. Let's put that over there, and let's get into the earbuds. So right here we've got the charging case. Let's get that out of there. Opens up magnetically. The LEDs show how much battery's left. You got your charging port down there. Let's take these earbuds out, and they've got some looks like they have ear gels, and then another gel to, looks like, fit in your ear properly. You can take that off, but I'm just gonna leave it on for now. Let's get the other one out of the case here. Throw that to the side, and right off the bat, these look pretty solid. You got your logo there. Looks like that's where you're gonna be tapping. And so let's follow these pair instructions. So remove earbuds from package and then place both earbuds in the case. They just drop in magnetically, and then when it shows a red, they will start to charge. And it says close the case. Alright, so let's take these out of the box, out of the charging case here, and as you can see, the white LEDs are blinking, and as soon as it starts flashing, then we should be able to grab our phone here, go to settings and Bluetooth, and you should see Indy at the bottom, then tap it and it should pair. And there we go, now it is connected. And let's go down to battery. And yep, they are connected, 100% charged. And let's play some music off of these. Let's get these in my ear. And let's get some music playing. Right off the bat, these are great sound quality. They have great bass on them, and fitting into your ears, they look really nice. Yeah, they fit great in my ears, and they don't fall out. And with these little gels here, it fits right into your ear, and you don't need to worry about it falling out. And it also gives it noise cancellation, which is great. And if you want to use just one earbud, you can only use the right earbud, and you just put the other one right back into the charging case. And you will still be able to listen to all your music just using the right earbud. Unfortunately, you can't listen only with the left one. It just doesn't work like that. But for me, it's not a problem because I like having one earbud in my right ear and not in my left. Anyways, but yeah, overall, these are great headphones for the price. They are way cheaper. They're definitely an alternative to AirPods. For me, I even like them a little bit better than AirPods, just the way they go into my ear, and I like the noise cancellation for the price that they are. And yeah, that's it. So stay tuned, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.